Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. While some people may enjoy the appearance of gray hair, few people are happy about premature graying. However, it seems that people are being affected by this condition at a younger age. While this is not a serious condition, it can make you appear older than you really are. That is usually not something that makes people happy. There are many potential causes of premature graying: genetics, poor nutrition, hormonal imbalances, chronic stress, pollution, strong hair products, smoking. There are also diseases that can make it more likely for younger people to turn gray earlier. Hair turns gray when the body has a low level of a chemical called melanin. Melanin is a pigment that causes your hair to be your natural color. However, this chemical slows down over time, and as it cannot keep up with your natural color, your hair will begin to fade to gray. However, there is no need to use harmful chemicals in your hair to try and mask those gray hairs. Those toxins can possibly do more harm than good on your head, hair, and scalp. In this video, you will learn of some natural remedies to help combat gray hairs. However, besides these natural cures, you also need to ensure that you are maintaining a healthy diet and a lifestyle that avoids negative triggers and stressors. 1. Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is a food that is high in the mineral copper. Copper is known for having an important role in producing your hair's natural color. A food that is high in copper can help the body produce more melanin to prevent the slowing of your hair color and help you maintain your natural look. Blackstrap molasses also delivers up to 14% of your daily recommended dose of copper. It is high in other minerals such as selenium, magnesium, and iron. All those minerals also support healthy hair. So, how does it work? Each morning, simply ingest 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses. Continue this for a few months to see your gray hair diminishing. 2. Indian gooseberry. The Indian gooseberry is known for treating hair-related issues. It can help with the graying of hair, dullness of hair, and loss of hair. This is because it is high in vitamin C and antioxidants that make your hair look fresh and young. There are 2 ways to use Indian gooseberry in the treatment of graying hair. Eat it raw. Apply Indian gooseberry oil or pulp directly into your scalp and hair. 4. Henna. Henna has been around for years. It was once used to color hair naturally. If used regularly, henna can make your hair appear darker. It can condition your hair as well to leave it looking strong and healthy. Henna is sold in most beauty shops. What you need: henna leaves, coffee powder, plain yogurt. How to do it: combine all ingredients. Spread the mixture evenly in your hair. Leave it a few minutes to allow it to dry completely. Once dry, wash your hair with shampoo as usual. This procedure should be done at least once monthly. 5. Lemon juice and coconut oil. Coconut oil has many uses. One essential use of coconut oil is that it can be utilized as an important hair product. Coconut oil can clean and nourish your scalp, skin, and hair. It can add moisture to your hair, help with hair growth, and help to remove any germs from your hair. Not surprisingly, coconut oil can be used to prevent gray hairs. Coconut oil can repair your hair and make your strands shiny and in your own natural color. To make your very own coconut oil hair remedy, combine coconut oil with fresh lemon juice. Simply massage the solution to your scalp and massage thoroughly. Leave the solution on your scalp and hair for at least 1 hour before shampooing, as usual. This should be done at least once a week. 6. Sage and rosemary. Who knew that you could cover gray hairs with simple cooking ingredients? Sage and rosemary are known to darken your hair and can mask gray hairs naturally. How to do it: in 1 pot, place rosemary and sage leaves in boiling water. Boil for a few minutes. Turn off the fire and leave to cool for a few hours. Make sure to strain the leaves before applying. This should be used only after shampooing. Leave the mixture on your scalp and hair for at least 20 minutes, and then rinse out to reveal your darker hair. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.